Hi everyone, Redneck Computer Geek here. I don't talk politics ever on this channel, so I'm breaking that rule once in order to be able to go and post this video, and probably will be the only time I ever do. So here we go. Basically, about 2 days ago, Biden ended up signing in an executive order about the right to repair. And I end up seeing this a lot in the lawn tractor community that we honestly need to step up and we need to actually be throwing some support towards this. And it doesn't matter whether you're Republican, you're Democrat, you're whatever. As a community of repair people, we need to be stepping up. And the thing I'd like to go and point out is that this right to repair and not being able to repair stuff, it's coming down the pipe as far as we're concerned in the lawn tractor world. I'll give you a couple of examples that I've run across myself as a YouTuber attempting to do how-to videos for you, so you can have a few examples to start looking into and think on. For example, if you go on surpluscenter.com right now, you can pick up an engine which is called a Lonikin. And the Lonikin is a 16 horsepower pull-in used engine, which is showing up in tons of machines. And it has been in production for over almost 7 years now. But yet, if you search YouTube, you will find almost nothing whatsoever for how-to videos on it. In fact, as far as the engine goes, it's as if it's a ghost and almost doesn't exist. And the reason for that is because it is kept under wraps. There's another series of engines which are called the Power Moors. The Power Moors is actually an engine which is designed, owned, and made by Cub Cadet. It's also in certain Ryobi branded machines. If you go on and you try and find anything for a Power Moor 420cc, there's also a bigger version which is used in lawn tractors, you will basically find nothing. In fact, as it is right now, as far as I know, they've been in production for about 5 years now, and even a carburetor for them, just for a single cylinder carburetor, is a dealership only product, and it is $96 plus tax here in the United States. We're running into more and more of this, and they have been slowly slipping it in under the radar into the lawn tractor community, and we're going to be seeing more of it. So we need to be following this executive order, and we need to be finding out exactly how it's going to affect, because in the lawn tractor world, we're seeing it. John Deere, for example. John Deere at this point, everybody knows what a Spicer transmission is if you've been working on lawn tractors for any period of time. Spicer / Footy / Dana transmissions have been kicking around in lawn tractors for probably roughly at least 30 years at this point. But John Deere has taken the Spicers and they have turned them into a proprietary product for their particular John Deere tractors, where instead of having the brake on the right-hand side, where it has been traditionally for about 30 years, they now have it on the left-hand side, making that particular transmission far more expensive. And the transmission cases that John Deere sells have the drill hole locations for putting the brake on the other side, but the shaft isn't there. There's all kinds of stuff that is currently showing up in the lawn tractor market that is changing, and we cannot get information for. Another example when it comes to that, going back to the Cub Cadet motors, Cub Cadet right now with their PowerMore brand has an EFI motor that is on the market. It's been on the market for about 2 years now, with electronic advanced horsepower and stuff like that. Go ahead, try to find a single engine schematic on that electronic control. You can't find it. The motor has been out to the public for 2 years now, and yet you cannot find a single part that you can buy at anywhere. Jack's Engine Repair, at partstree.com, at any of the major places. You cannot find parts for that motor whatsoever. It is dealership only to be able to repair that Cub Cadet motor. So no matter whether you're Democrat, Republican, no matter what political side you have in this, I'm just putting it out there that we need to be paying attention to where this executive order goes and what happens, because in the next 5 years or so, when those machines are hitting about 10 years old and they're starting to be the machines that we're picking up for $50 here and for freebies there, there's a very good chance that we're not going to actually be able to get parts in order to fix those machines unless something changes really soon in the way that this right to repair in the United States is going. Well, speaking of right to repairs, I gotta go and get in the shop, and I need to clean my shop so that I can rightly repair a few things for you to be able to watch in video. But I just wanted to throw that out there. We've got a comment section down below that you guys are welcome to blow up and talk about and see where this goes. But the lawn tractor community needs to see this right to repair get pushed, and that's the reason why I'm making this video. Have fun. That's the end of my political side for this channel for now. Have a good day.